It's important to be chemical free as leather is always in contact with our skin. We wear it, sit on it, and even sleep on it. And conditioning is also important because your sofa is subjected to daily use by family members and pets and Anikas, okay? All right, guys, now you're gonna watch us do a 20-second time-lapse video showing how to scrub the sofa down.
So this is the finished process. How does everything look, guys? We did a really good job here, I think so. Hi everyone, my name is Anika and this is Cindy, and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you so much for watching. We use our sofa in several videos and we thought it would be time for us to clean and condition it. We searched on Amazon and found the best conditioner with the best ratings, so why not share the process with our viewers? We think you would enjoy it and also learn something from the process.
Absolutely. Now this video might reach people who are not looking for content on smart homes. However, if you want to be entertained while watching cool tech, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you get notified when we got new stuff.
Also, we would really appreciate it if you used our Amazon links. If you shop on Amazon, that really helps us out, and the link is down below in the description box.
Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all the details.
All right, so now, like we said, we searched on Amazon for a cleaner and conditioner with the best reviews, and we came across Leather Honey, which is a natural and effective way to care for leather.
Now it is recommended to clean before you apply the conditioner, which also helps to moisturize the leather. And the cleaner is concentrated with a ratio of 1:8, which means 2 tablespoons for 1 cup of water. We bought the spray bottle at the dollar store, but you can use a small bowl if you wish. And we're going to show you now how it works by pouring some water into the bottle, and 1 bottle actually makes 32 ounces, so I'm going to measure it out and pour it all in.
All right, let's go do it.
We're now back in the science lab.
We got our potions with us. So this is the concentrated version, and this is 32 ounces that it creates when you do pour it in. We're going to go ahead and first I'm going to put the water in because I feel like this is going to bubble up. I'm not 100% sure, but let's try it out. And I'm gonna fill up the water. Kind of like 3/4 way, almost. Okay, too much water. Pour some of that out. I think that should be good.
That's a good marker, yeah.
Right? And then we'll go ahead and pour this liquid in.
And see if it becomes a soap opera.
Make sure you guys take off the thing first.
And these nails are very good at puncturing things.
Yes. Okay.
Amazing.
Bubble bath.
Yeah. Jump on in.
All right, so we've got the full content in the bottle, and we just need to give it a nice shake.
Would you like some fries with that shake?
That everything is mixed up.
So you've heard of Sir Mix-a-Lot, but this is a different version. And that's how she gets her biceps, yeah.
All right, guys.
Ready, aim, fire.
So I'm just gonna spray one section here, and it's important to make sure you do one section first, just to kind of test out to see how it reacts on your leather, and it should obviously be fine. And then from there you can just go ahead and start wiping it down. You have to just make sure it's completely dry before you do apply the conditioner.
You also want to make sure you don't oversaturate it, as you wouldn't want to ruin the leather. So it is important. A little does go a long way. It is concentrated formula, so it is something. And also be wary of the type of cloth you're using. We're using a microfiber, which is clean and lint free. So you do want to make sure, because obviously you don't want to deposit anything that wasn't there to begin with.
Guys, look how shiny it looks. Also, you want to make sure that if you do put it in the bottle, you might as well just put in like the full entire content into the bottle like we did, just because it's nice to have your bottle at easy access in case, you know, this messy one over here kind of gets on the loose.
All right, guys, now you're gonna watch us do a 20-second time-lapse video showing how to scrub the sofa down and move it all around. Here we go.
Now that the sofa is all cleaned and it's dried, we can apply the conditioner. They recommend warming it up for a few seconds, or you can also apply it directly with your hands, which warms up the product and it helps it penetrate it deeply into leather. The cool thing is it is natural, so even if it does touch your hands, it's all good.
True. And you're still gonna wanna use a clean, dry, lint-free cloth and apply the leather conditioner evenly to the whole sofa.
Yes, we got new cloths, guys.
That's
These are not the
right.
same ones.
And if you have, any pets, it's okay because it won't be toxic for them or your skin. So that's nice.
So I guess we'll just apply it like this.
And one treatment of the leather conditioner lasts 6 months or longer. So we are gonna do that.
Oh, you kind of have to pour it into.
Okay.
Yeah. So it protects new leather and it rejuvenates the old leather. You can use it on furniture or you can use it on interiors as well. You can use it on jackets, boots, shoes, gloves, purses, anything leather.
And it actually does feel pretty nice on your skin. Like it leaves a nice feeling. So we have waited for it to dry because obviously you do want to do that. And it's revealing a really nice shine. It's important to be chemical free as leather is always in contact with our skin. We wear it, sit on it, and even sleep on it. And conditioning is also important because your sofa is subjected to daily use by family members and pets and Anikas, okay? So also mishaps can happen like spilled drinks or your kids' sticky hands or your cat, whatever it happens to be. So it makes your leather water resistant but doesn't clog the pores so your leather continues to breathe because we don't want to leave our leather breathless, we want to leave ourselves breathless.
Yeah. And it is super thick, so I feel like a hand would be better to use than a cloth.
It's true, and a lot of people do use bare hands for it. It's not a problem. Now, after applying it evenly to the sofa, you are going to want to have it absorb by waiting at least 2 hours or wait overnight. And then you're going to wipe off any excess that you might see.
Here's another 20-second time lapse of us conditioning it.
And here we go.
So this is the finished process. How does everything look, guys? We did a really good job here. I think so.
Yeah.
You do this every 6 months and your leather will last longer. We like this product because of its high ratings on Amazon. Plus, it's a natural and effective way to take care of your leather. I love that the conditioner gives it this perfect touch. Make sure you guys do wait 2 hours before you sit on it because you don't want to sit on it when the conditioner is still on, soaking in.
Yeah, because then you'll get your shine on.
We posted links down below in the description to where you can get more information on this item.
And thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please share it with someone, and you can see our latest videos right here on the side. Subscribe to see more of our videos, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to check out our website at HomeAutomationX.com. Thank you so much for watching.